looks like they got all the corners marked. It's like bone dry right now, but tomorrow it's supposed to rain again. But then the weekend is supposed to be good, and then next week it's going to be 93 to 97 the whole week. So we'll see once if that brings any storms with it, but a little bit of progress.
All right, this is just going to be kind of a vlog kind of day. I'm hanging around on my farm. This may or may not ever make a video or not, but if you want to tag along for kind of a day, I guess, or half a day or whatever on our farm, let's get some fresh air. Just hooked up the trailer, and I'm going to the front, to the cabin site, to change out the time-lapse cards and to grab the excavator. So I'm going to try and put that mower on it today, hopefully. Look at this bobcat grapple. I'm trying to buy this from Isaiah because I think he's gonna switch over to Takahauchi. Look at the size of that thing. Alright, let's change out the cameras. I gotta move one. I was off again just a little bit. I don't know if you could see here, but this massive dirt pile here is taller than me. It's probably 7 foot high, maybe 8. I mean, they excavated this whole basin out, I guess, if you will. You can see the drop off there. It's like a close to a 4 foot cut. And here's the footer. Today's Tuesday morning. Dang it, I forgot to bring the garbage out. I gotta go back and get that. Could use a little bit of a clean out, but for now, because I'm gonna take the excavator. Just kicked up some deer in there. Here's one of my cameras. And then the other one's down there on a tree. Swap that one out. Alright, now for the excavator. Man, it's hot already. We have heat index warnings this whole week. Yesterday was 110 to 115 in the afternoon. So let's grab the Bob Kitty. Well, at least I ain't got to strap it down since I'm staying on my property. That's good. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm soaked already. Alright, let's try and put the Plexon shield on and see how that goes. Oh, dang it. I forgot about the garbage. Let's get the garbage out to the curb and then we'll jump back in the excavator. First soybean right there. It's June 13th. Of course, they're calling heat warnings all week now. I mean, so here's my beans. They're definitely coming up fast. Fingers crossed that this drought ain't gonna wipe them out or the critters. But we're back to plan A, where the beans and the new corn are coming up at the same time. Alright, so at this point, if you're a regular, you know today's going to be a big day because I'm putting this homemade polycarbonate shield on. And yes, today I'm going to finally get that heavy-duty brush cutter out on the Bobcat. That's going to be a separate video, but I'll put a couple clips in here now for today's Tuesday vlog, so you can kind of see it in action, and then stay tuned for the full very first project video using that thing. Alright, I finally figured out the continuous flow. That makes it a lot easier, because otherwise I was holding it down with my thumb. I set it up as a flail mower, but it was the wrong direction. Jungle here. This is probably five years of growth. Imagine I won't have to do this, but once every couple of years maybe. Alright, so now I hopped in the tractor. I have a little bit of soybeans left. I'm going to take them to my house plot and no-till them in the weeds there, just to see how they do. If they do really good, I might keep some, which I'm doubtful, but it'll just be more tonnage and more greens if they do grow anyways between now and fall. Not sure how good they're going to get cut in here. Clover needs a little work. Everything needs work, but I'm a little better off this year than I have the last couple of years. Alright, so that's it for the day vlog. I'm going to head in and make a video now. It's hot out, but pretty productive day overall for a weekday for sure.